Hi, my name is Anya, and since we are on lockdown and we have limited ingredients, I want to show you how to make 3-ingredient chocolate cake. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to that notification bell to notify every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday.
In a bowl with 4.5 ounces of melted chocolate, add in 2 egg yolks, add in a pinch of salt, and mix until well combined and thick. In a bowl with 2 egg whites, mix until stiff peaks form. Gradually fold in the stiff egg whites into the mixture. Pour your mixture into a prepared baking tin and bake at 175 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Allow to cool completely. Then turn out onto a serving plate. Dust with icing sugar. You can also add ice cream. The texture of this cake is more of a souffle texture than a cake, but it still tastes really nice. Enjoy!